Hey there, hope that every one of you is safe, hale and hearty. This is Mr. Dachapalli, I'm your friend. Today, in this video, I'm going to reveal the 6 key elements of learning English language effectively. During this corona period, I've received many calls from different sources that this is the right time for us to learn the language. I'd like to become fluent in English language. What can I do? How do I get English command? What are the things that I'm supposed to do to get fluent in English language? Now, the 6 key elements that you're supposed to do are these. Number 1, A, allocate time for your learning. You need to take an exact amount of time per day. It can be 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, depending upon your time availability, depending upon your necessity of learning the language quickly. Based on that, you will be able to learn the language well. So, A, allocate time. Set particular amount of time aside for your language learning, fluency learning, strategically learning the language in that particular time will give you broader scope to learn the language. Second thing to do, B, be intentional. What does it mean by? Casual learning can never work. 15 years, 20 years, 16 years, 18 years. Continuously you went to schools, and some of us have been to English medium schools too, English medium classes too. Hours together they listen to English lectures too, but they cannot learn the language because the approach was casual. Casual learning cannot give you English language. Casual approach results in causal breakdown. That's it. So you need to give intentional focus to learn the language. That will give you scope. And the third one, C, create the environment. When people ask me, sir, give me one book that can teach me English. Tell me one institute which can teach me English. Tell me one process. Simple. If you really want to learn the language a simple way or a single way, directly go to an English speaking country. That's the only method. Sir, yes, that's true. If you are there in English speaking country, you can learn the language. So you're saying something which is not possible. Exactly. No, it is not impossible. It is possible. You create the world where you are leading your life as an English speaking world. Means, what does it mean by? What do you do in a day? You speak, you read, you write, you listen. That's it, right? As far as language is concerned, only these. So, if you speak in English. If you listen to English itself. Read English articles, English stories, English material itself. And if you write in English itself. Don't bother about right and wrong. Don't bother about accurate, inaccurate, acceptable, unacceptable, right one, wrong one, effective one, ineffective one. Slowly you can work on. Once you get the command, you can go further. So, create your environment. People that or with the interest, become a group so that it can be more effective group too. If you don't have anybody else to talk to yourself. That's enough. So if you talk to yourself, if you write to yourself, if you read something aloud to tongue twist and to know how the sentences are constructed, if you listen to native speakers, if you listen to the speakers, those whose mother tongue is English language, you can learn the language easily and quickly. D. 4. Depend on the technology. These days, YouTube is available, podcasts are available, and apps are also available for teaching language. So, get up, go up, get the apps, open YouTube for learning language. Open podcasts to learn the language. Use apps to learn the language. So if you use technology, you can learn the language faster. E. E stands for emulate the native speakers. Even if you don't know grammar, even if you don't know how to construct a sentence, pick bunches of expressions. Pick full sentences. Learn the language from native speakers. The way exactly how they are producing a sentence, you imitate them. Emulate means imitate. Imitate them, speak up. You will learn the language excellently. And you will be able to speak with right pronunciation too, because you are imitating them. F stands for focus on the contextual learning. Instead of learning the language wide and open, take a particular context. In that context, what expressions? For example, how to say thanks, how to appreciate others, how to take permission, how to respond if somebody says thanks, how to respond if somebody appreciates. So if you focus on this kind of learning, you will be able to learn the language effectively. You will be able to respond in that context excellently in English language without any kind of hesitation. You can speak better. And G stands for get hands-on experience. Means practical exposure. Don't imagine the language. Don't listen and confirm that I know. You need to reproduce the language. When you reproduce the language, you can learn it in a practical experience. So the 6 ways that you need to work on: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, allocate time. B, intentional. C, create environment. D, depend on technology. E, emulate native speakers. F, focus on the context. G, 7th one, bonus one, is get hands-on experience. So these are the 6 major elements and 1 bonus element that can help you learn the language quickly and as effectively as you want. Wishing you all the best. You will learn the language. If you like this video, like it, share it, recommend it, and encourage me to this. Thank you so much.